Okay, so I've just been given a really fun brief by DesignSpark. It's their 10-year anniversary coming up, and I'd like to do something for it that connects essentially their past and what they've been doing, and also looking forward to where their future is. The brief is super open of just do something interesting, so I've been trying to just put some ideas down, and I thought it was interesting just to share the process of this. So, where I started off was just, essentially, for anyone who doesn't know, the RS is from radio spares, as it started out doing a lot of things to do with ham radio, CB radio, and of course stuff that related to all the sort of big communications networks. It's safe to say that if you're an engineer and you're using a company like RS, it's because the components are usually basically pretty unusual, special stuff, quite technical, high quality, and you get them really fast. So I was thinking about the transistor as an interesting component that obviously enabled the radio, not just as a tool in terms of early communications, connections obviously with the necessity around things like war, but as with so much technology, it trickled down to the public in forms of entertainment as things get more affordable. And so I was really thinking about, essentially how could you make this more modern? And if you've got things which is, in a very hyper connected world, how do you sort of utilize that global thing with maybe sort of things that are both digital and physical? And I was also intrigued by things like the internet and how that connects to things like web radio, and of course that thing of sort of filtering and navigating around us. Safe to say, also touching on things like, design smart mechanical software, building stuff in CAD, 3D printing would be cool, and obviously using some form of electronics and PCBs. So that's where I am in the process, and I'll see where that takes me. But this is the first crack at it. So wish me luck.